Hello, in today's tutorial we will be learning how to do this text gradient using two methods. As you can see, this particular example has one with and the other without the drop shadow. Open a new page. We will click on the option of apps on the left side. Type in Type Gradient. Click the app. Once it opens, you can type in the text. In this case, we'll type Happy Birthday. We will choose the font called Luckiest Guy. We now go to the gradient section. As you can see, you can adjust the direction of the gradient by clicking and pulling the points. Now we can adjust which colors we would like for the gradient. Then we add to design. You can then go to the Elements section and add the elements you desire. You can then adjust the position of the elements and change the background color. This is what I did earlier. The other way is to have a shadow. For this, we need to download this first. We choose PNG and then the transparent background. Then we upload it back to Canva. Once we upload it to the page, click the image and then go up to Edit Photo. We click Shadows. We choose Drop. You can then adjust the attributes as you wish. There are options to blur the shadows, adjust the angle, the distance and also the color and the intensity. You can adjust it to how you want it to be. We can then add other elements. As you can see, you can adjust the text anytime that you want. The other way is to go to Elements and type in Frame. Choose All and choose the alphabets of the text. We go to Elements again and type Gradients. Then we choose the gradient we like and adjust it to each of the alphabet. You can then download it as a PNG and transparent. Upload it back and then we can add the shadow effect as previously. I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you did, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.